Hey everyone, so good happy new year. So I've created one desktop assistant. So let's run it at first and give you an
Good
overview of the
morning.
project.
I am Jarvis, sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Who is Rohit Sharma in Wikipedia?
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Rohit Gurunath Sharma, born April 30, 1987, is an Indian international cricketer who currently plays and captains the Indian national cricket team across all formats. Considered one of the best batsmen of his generation and one of greatest opening batters of all time, Sharma is known for his timing, elegance, six-hitting abilities, and leadership skills.
Who is Virat Kohli in Wikipedia?
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Virat Kohli, Hindi pronunciation, 6 Kalai, born November 5, 1988, is an Indian international cricketer and the former captain of the Indian national cricket team. He currently represents Royal Challengers Bangalore in the IPL and Delhi in domestic.
Open Google. Open YouTube. Open Stack Overflow. Open Stack Overflow. So today we'll be making this project from starting to end, and yeah, that's gonna be great. So let's start it. So okay, so this is my screen. I think my screen is visible. So let's zoom in out. So I think this is visible. So I've taken Visual Studio Code for code. So at first import pyttsx3. So for doing it, I will be just clear my console and do pip install sx3. So actually I have already installed it, so no need to install. So another one is to be installed, that is pip install speech oops, speech recognition. It is already installed. And another thing, pip install Wikipedia. Already have installed it. And yep, if you didn't install it, it will take a bit of time. So now next thing, import speech underscore, maybe underscore recognition as SR. Okay, okay, good. So another one is import actually date and time. After that, import Wikipedia. Oops. After that, I'll be import the web browser, maybe, and import OS, import SMTPLIB. Actually, this is a library for doing what, for sending email. We'll be discuss it later. So at first I'll be setting the engine equals to, because the voice module engine I have to set it that pyttsx3 dot init, oops, init, and I'll have a sapi sapi5. So if you search on Chrome, just a minute, that is sapi5, sorry, sapi5. So basically this is a speech API I have taken from here in Python, so that is very clear. Okay, now voices, there I'll have voice. So engine, I have set it that engine dot, there is a property that is called get property, get get property. I'll have voices. Okay, you can go to documentation for seeing the how many properties have in the SAPI 5 API, and I'll print basically voices. Actually voices have certain ID. So let's say one dot I dot id. Okay, now let's done it. Okay, you can see that this is the name, that Zira gonna be the name, and there will be another one that is zero. Let's do it zero, maybe if I'm not wrong. So there will be another thing. Yep, you can see that David. So there are two names, David and Zira. Okay, quite good, but we'll not do it. So control exit. Now engine, I will take with the voice of David. Dot set, because I love the boys rather than girls. Okay, property, voices, not voices, voice, maybe voice, and another is voices of zero dot I. Clear, good, very good. Now let's make a function that will speak. Okay, that will speak, basically that will get an audio. Good, maybe like that. And basically it will do engine dot say, and basically engine dot say audio, maybe like that. Good. And engine dot having a and wait run and wait until I'm getting another prompt. It will do that thing. Very good. Another function def, that will wish me that what is the time and how I am doing the time. So let's validate it. Wish me the time. So how I'll be doing the thing, let's say how hour. So it will end, I'll be typecasting it into an integer, and date, having a date time module I have encrypted already. Date time dot now, there is a function, and I'll be saying the hour here. Okay, very good. Now if my hour is greater or equal to 0 and hour is less than 12, that time I'll be saying good morning. I think that is clear. That time I'll speak good morning. Oops, control Z, control Z. Clear. Otherwise, if the hour is maybe greater or equal to 12 and hour is less than 18, maybe. Okay, that time I will speak what? I'll speak good afternoon. Good. And I'll validating this thing, that otherwise I'll be saying good evening. So morning, afternoon, evening, maybe like that. Otherwise I'll be saying speak evening. Good. And after this, after greeting, I basically after greeting, so I'll be saying that bro, I am this, I want to help you, like that, maybe like that. So I'll be saying that I let's say service, um, maybe that will say please uh, tell me how may I let's help, maybe like that. Good, very good. After that I'll make another function that gonna be maybe uh, that will basically I'll be giving a command. So take, let's say take command, maybe. Good. So basically it does what? It basically takes a microphone input and returns and output, basically. Let's say output. Good. Good, very good. So basically I'll be setting a string. So let's say r equal to, and it will be what? Sr dot maybe recognizer. So just a minute, let me search on Google. Let me search on Google. That maybe that gonna be speak recognition in Python, maybe like that. So I'll be going to my Python documentations. Here maybe I'll be getting that point. Maybe just a minute. I have seen the documentations, so I'll be going to the documentations. Just a minute. Uh, just a minute. Okay. Speech recognition as ASR. How this is going on? Maybe okay, so it didn't give. Okay, so let's do it. So maybe recognizer. So I'll be check the if there is an error or not. Recognizer, maybe like that, maybe like that. And there is an with attribute with sr dot sr dot microphone, maybe sr dot microphone, maybe as source, maybe like that, maybe like that. And it will basically do what? It basically print that bro, I'm listening. Okay, listening. And r dot, I'll be pause it. Pause, let's say threshold. Let's say threshold equals to 1. Okay. Oops. This is the my bad habit of doing CPP. So audio equal to r, basically that will listen what I'm saying. Okay, after listening, after giving a print listening, it will basically do what? It will basically listen what I'm saying, what I'm giving the prompt, like that maybe. So listen, uh, basically listen what the source that I am given, the source, maybe like that, maybe like that. And maybe I will be doing what? There will be two method. If it got what I am saying, basically, okay, it basically got what I am saying. If that is true, it will give me a correct answer. Otherwise it will give me an error, basically it will throw me an error. So I will validate the thing using try and catch method, and I think that is very clear. So I'll try what? I'll try basically print that bro, I'm really recognizing. I mean, I am giving a recognizing string, so that basically a loader in between of the mind of the Jarvis. It basically thinks over, search over the thing simultaneously. Okay, so recognizing like that. And basically I'm giving a query. So let's give query equal to r dot recognize underscore Google. So basically I am basically doing the thing from Google. So let's say Google audio, it have an attribute of language. You can go to the documentations and literally search it. No need to I mean, no need to memorize the things. That this is the attribute, this word the attribute, no need to do that. So English India, like that maybe. If there is an error, I will literally go over it, and because I have done it too many days ago. So there will be an if string that basically do what? That basically user said that the query, maybe like that. Give a line break, maybe like that. Okay, otherwise uh, except to what? Except throw an exception as e. It basically let's print and print e, maybe like that. um, Actually no, actually instead of doing exception, because let's say I am saying open Google, but it has heard somehow, let's say, um, it has something somehow heard a wrong pronunciations. So instead of throwing an exception, I gonna say that bro, say you again. So instead of doing print, I will say that print say that again. maybe like that. Again, please say that again, please, control Z. Okay, good. And return basically none. Good. And after that I'll be return the query. Okay, I've got the query now. I think that is clear. I have got the query now. Now I'll be doing what? I'll be send so there will be something function. So I have said you before that I have created one SMPTLIB. So that basically a library of getting what I'm saying. Basically library of getting of what? Maybe the maybe sending the email. So if I say that I want to send the mail, so def, the thing is a function send email like that. So I have two things. One is who is sending and to whom I am sending basically the thing, and two and the content. And what is the content of the thing, that is very sure. So the thing is server equals to sm tplib smtplib dot, there is a function that is called smtp. If you go to the documentations, I can easily show you down the thing that what is smtp. That is documentation. So you can go to the documentations. So it's basically said the simultaneous thing that that smtp, you can see, that the thing how is working on with smtp. So I have a domain name and I'll be doing nwp noop like that. So there are so many functions. I am verifying the addresses. I am sending the things. I am authenticate basically the thing. um and so many things, connect, hello, yellow, the thing, so many things. So no need to memorize the thing, that you can copy it from documentations, no need to. So the thing is what? So that is smtp dot gmail.com, like that. And there is another thing that is 587, that is basically the documentation server, and it will basically just server dot ehlo, maybe like that. After that, server dot start tls. Another one is that I'll be login, so server dot login. So first thing that my email name, so I'll be saying a normal email name. So I'll be saying a sender email name, so sender at rate, I mean your email name and the password. I'm not saying the password here, so let's say password, sender password, sender. Okay. Another one is server dot send mail. That basically gonna be your, obviously, so sender at rate email, and basically it will take two, and content. After that I'll be close it, server dot, like that. Good, good, good. So let's, so if now I'll be wishing, that I'll be wishing bro someone that that maybe something, maybe let's say let's do it. So let's, I'll have name equals to, oops, maybe like that. If it is this, wish, maybe that gonna be, that is the function wish me, control C, control V. Okay, wish me, no params, and while. So I'm making a while loop, that while this is true, do what, if one. I mean, if that is not correct, if one, do what? Do query equals to mm, take command of none dot, maybe like that. Not sorry, maybe that lower, maybe like that. Okay, clear. I think that is clear for everyone. If that is true, I'll be doing the thing like that. Okay, maybe like that. Okay, good, good. And now I'll be doing what? I'll be basically execute the basically the responses according. Basically, I'll do if else case, that if I say this, if I say not this, like this, accordingly. So while that is true, I'll be saying what. So if um what how to do this, how to do this, maybe. So if I'll be saying Wikipedia, if I have Wikipedia, what, maybe I'm not saying that open Wikipedia and search this. Basically, I'm saying that I want to say that Virat Kohli in Wikipedia, Elon Musk in Wikipedia, maybe like that. Okay, so if Wikipedia in my query, if Wikipedia present in my query, that time I'll do what? I'll basically speak that. What is the time, bro? Oh, 20 minutes. Okay, I need to sleep. I need to sleep. So I will do searching Wikipedia. Good, 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 good. Okay, now the query is basically query dot replaced. So Wikipedia, comma, the text I'm basically saying. Okay, so results is basically Wikipedia. I have installed the module successfully. Dot Wikipedia dot. I'm not saying the whole text what is written in Wikipedia. Basically, let's open Wikipedia. If I open if I open Wikipedia and if I search, let's say Virat, if I search Virat Kohli, I'm getting big text, but I don't need that. I need a summary. Basically, I need the summary. So let's do summary of query and sentence. Basically, I need sentences of two. I mean, two sentences. Okay, having two sentences. Great, great. So after that, I'll speak that, bro, according to Wikipedia, and print. I'll do print the results, and I'll speak the results. Great. Otherwise, sorry. Otherwise, I basically do what? Let's say have said open. I have said open Google. Open. I have said open Google in my query. If I said open Google in my query, I will do what? I'll do web browser dot open and IP google.com. Okay, web browser dot open google.com. Very good. Otherwise, let's replicate this. Control D. Oops, just a minute. Just a minute. Good. Otherwise, if I say open, let's say YouTube, open YouTube, uh, oops, maybe like that. So youtube.com, like that. If I say Stack Overflow, I'll open Stack Overflow. So this is the example. You can add your websites also. That if I say something, so I'll be opening my website. If I say open, so let's give a comment. Stack Overflow. Okay, open stackoverflow.com. Stackoverflow.com. Great. I think that is great. Now let's say I want to play music. Let's say I want to play music. If I say that, I will do elif. I have said that bro play music. If I say in query, if I say this in my query, let's say music directory. I have set a music directory. That is basically I have set it. Just a minute. My D drive. There is a folder named songs. If I am not wrong. Yep. So I've given one song. I have only one song in my PC right now. Okay, so D drive, and this is the symbol that you have to given, and the songs. I mean, you have to replace. You can replace with your directory. Replace with your own songs. Point to be noted that will be directory. Okay, songs directory. Don't say something like .mp3 .mp4. Obviously save into something I mean something into a directory. I mean into a folder. And it basically do what? Songs equal to os dot, there is a property listen, directory dir, like that, and I have music. Actually I didn't have a snippet for it. Maybe I should enable. Actually I didn't work Python on this PC, so that I didn't have any snippets, and I have not worked it. Okay, songs, and after that os dot start file. I have a attribute, so that will do what? Os dot path dot join, one of the sexiest thing in Python this is. And so music directory, music directory, and basically it will play the first song. So songs having the first index. Great. Maybe like that. Great. Otherwise do what? Let's say what I want to know more. Time, maybe time. So the time, if I say the time in query, if I say this time in my query, I will do str and time equal to date time dot, maybe date time, that is maybe the attribute dot now. Maybe not like that. Maybe I'll have a maybe str ft time, maybe like that. Str ft time, and let's go to python time. Str ft format, str oops, just a minute, not like that. Str, maybe, what is that? Str ft time, str, oops, ft time in python. Let's want to see. Let's go on geeks or geeks. So okay, something like that. I'll be given this. Okay, so basically maybe, so I want to know the chart. So python chart, maybe from image, I'll be getting the chart, maybe like that. Not no no no. Maybe I want to know from, yes, like this. I want documentations. I prefer documentations rather. So there was an, there was a big, uh, okay, let's try. Maybe something. Yes, yes, yes. This thing. Okay, for our, maybe I'll have to written that, maybe. Okay, 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 okay. So instead of time, maybe for hour I have to write. Maybe I have to pass the string simultaneously. Maybe like that. Okay, so ampersand caps H. I need that. Ampersand caps M for month. I mean for minute, and ampersand is for second. Maybe like that. And I want to speak it. Control Z. I want to speak that what things are going on. Okay, so I will speak that, having a if string, that so the time, so the time is, and str that I'm passing basically. Control Z. Oops. So if your cursor is in between of the line, so you can press control and press enter for getting the successful enter. Good. Now what else I want to do? I have sent mail first. I have sent mail. I have searched stuff on Wikipedia. I have searched stuff on Google, YouTube, and Stack Overflow. Maybe I open code editor. I mean the VS Code. So for that I have elif. Let's say I have open code. If I say open code in query, if I say open code in the query, maybe I have given the code path. Just a minute. Let me find my VS Code path. Just a minute. So okay, so I've got my folder. So basically, you should have to include that code.exe file, not VS Code only, like that. So you can search it on your file explorer. You can get it easily. So now, OS dot start file code path. Basically, the thing like that. Good. Oops, 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 oops. Uh, Okay, good. Now I have setted the module for sending the mail, but I had not sent it. So Elif, if I say that to email to the Bayan, let's make it. Basically, I think that will not pronounce my name, so let's give it David. Actually, it cannot pronounce Debian properly. Poor name for a computer. So try. At first, it will do what? It will try to speak that, what should be the content of the mail. So let's say should what should I say? And the content, that gonna be the content basically. The content is take command. I mean that will take the command, and the two control z oops. And the two is basically the thing that I'm trying to send. Let's say I try to send Harry, let's say, the to my friend. I'm basically trying to send whom, the send at the rate, like that. Let's run the function send mail, send email. Maybe that was, maybe send mail like that. Yes, send email. The send email having two things, one is to and one is content, maybe like that. And speak, I'll be saying that your email has been sent Good. Otherwise, otherwise I'll do what? I'll basically accept an exception as E, and I'll basically print E, and I'll basically speak that bro, sorry bhai, sorry bro, your email has not been sent. Kindly go through the code again. And I think that's it. So let's run the code again and pray to God that maybe. Oops. What the issue here, bro? Just a minute. What's the issue? Okay. So Python. Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me delete it. Thon.py.
Good morning. I am Jarvis, sir. Please tell me how may I help you.
Open Google. Hoo. Open YouTube. Play music. Okay. Songs. I think there is a problem in songs. Oops. Listen, not list, dear. Sorry. List, dear. Like that, maybe.
Good morning. I am Jarvis, sir. Please tell me how may I help you.
Play music. Who is Rohit Sharma? Rohit Sharma in Wikipedia. I have to give in Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia.
So, oops. I think, bro, I have done every. So, in the line 63. Replace.
Good morning. I am Jarvis, sir. Please tell me how may I help you.
Rohit Sharma in Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia.
भाई मेरा स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक के लिए मुझे मार देना यार. 64 लाइन SMMARY, sorry.
Good morning. I am Jarvis, sir. Please tell me how may I help you.
Rohit Sharma in Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia.
No more, bro, no more, please.
According to Wikipedia,
Yes.
Rohit Gurunath Sharma, born April 30th, 1987,
Anji,
is an Indian international cricketer who currently plays and captains the Indian national cricket.
Good. So now okay, I have not viewed the code editor, so main.py.
Good morning. I am Jarvis, sir. Please tell me how may I help you.
Open code. Tan. So I think, yep, that's it, the video. So I think point of noted, I'll be given the whole code on my GitHub, and I'll be given the link of my GitHub where you can fork the repository and get all everything. Point of noted, I have not checked the mail functionality because I have to give in my password, and sorry to say, but I have also forgotten my password, so I have to check it again and I have to set it. Point of noted, you can say the time and timing everything. You can see the time. This is, I think, morning 1:30 37. So okay, goodbye for thank you for watching this videos in the next time.